Oh, there you go, Jerry. The water park.
Hello.
What's up, you guys? We're at Cowabunga Bay Water Park in Las Vegas today. We're going to take Mega Jerry from a water slide. It's like 120 degrees, so it's the perfect day to take minions on the water slide. Oh, wait, there they go. There they go. Go, Jerry. Oh, that looks fun. All right, we got to take Jerry over and get tickets for the park. There it is, you guys. Cowabunga Bay Water Park. Okay, guys, we're in. We gotta get a wristband. Try to walk around without any shoes on. Not a good idea. So now we're gonna see if we can get Mega Jerry on any of these water slides. So hot out here. All right, we gotta go. We can go over there, Mega Jerry, or we can go on the lazy river. You know what? Let's try to go on the lazy river. You guys, look at this. Look at how big this map is. Look at this, Jerry. It's huge. You're gonna go all of these water slides. Here, this water slide, and this water slide over here, and this water slide over here. So many water slides. We have to figure out which water slide we're gonna take Mega Jerry on first. There's the lazy river. Okay, we're gonna put our shoes right there, Mega Jerry. Hopefully no one steals our shoes. Alright, look. Oh, nice. Oh, that was good. Let's just get one of these Cowabunga Bay water rafts. Okay. This is for two people. You can see right there. I think we need a one person. We gotta see him there. Hold on, guys. Get this one over here. Mega Jerry. Oh yeah, this one's better. This will work out a lot better. Oh, and look over there. They've got a dive-in movie theater over there. That's where we gotta check that out next, guys. It's like a big wave pool. Be perfect for Mega Jerry. That one looks like a fun one, Mega Jerry. Zuma Zuma! Going to a waterfall. Oh. Back to the beach. Oh. That's nice. Okay, there we are, Mega Jerry. We're back at the beach. We gotta go find our shoes. We gotta find our shoes, guys. I don't know where our shoes are. Our shoes are somewhere over there. Okay guys, now we gotta pick a slide to go on. And hopefully they just let us sneak Mega Jerry on there. Take a ride down the slide, it'll be awesome! Hi. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, so hot. This ground is like 300 degrees hot. Maybe 400 degrees, I don't know. Alright, let's go over here and see. Maybe over there. I don't know if they'll let you go on there, Mega Jerry. Maybe. I don't know, guys. I'm not sure if they'll let us take Mega Jerry on the water slide. We could try though. We're gonna do all the way to the top and then see if we can get Mega Jerry on the tube down the slide. It's gonna be good. So hot. The ground is so hot. So high up. We're going up like billion feet. Maybe 1,000,000 feet. Alright, thanks. Look, come on, Mega Jerry. We're going down the pink slide, going down the water ride, going down the pink slide. Come on!
Living on the far side of town, sharing a dream with anyone. Made it through heaven, she's made it through hell. It's just another story to tell. Have you ever felt you're missing the dream? Have you ever wished your life was like the movie on the screen? Filled with heartbreaks and fights through Hollywood nights.
Look guys, look at Mega Jerry. He's all wet. Look, we gotta wring him out. Oh. There's like so much water. Okay, now let's try to get over there to the wave pool. We have a tough decision to make. Park exit, Case Cove, Panorama, first date. No, we don't want that. Dippin' Dots, smoking area. Where's the wave pool? Oh, over here. There it is, Jerry. The dive-in theater. Oh, nice. All right, we gotta find a cool place to put our shoes again. I know, let's put them here. Or here, right here. Let's put them here. That looks good. Aggressive waves. Strong swimmers only. Good thing we're strong swimmers. Now all we gotta do, oh look at this. Just sit back here, enjoy the dive-in movie, see what's it's gonna be playing tonight. We need one of these tubes over here. This way. Right over here. Okay, now just gotta get way out into the deep end and wait for the waves to start. Here come the waves. Here come the waves, Jerry. Hold on. Oh. Stay right there, Jerry. Stay right there. Here we go. Alright guys, look. There's some pretty big waves coming. Saved your life. You saved your life, Jerry. You saved your life. You can't fall off the raft like that. Good thing we're strong swimmers, Jerry. Look, Jerry, you want a pretzel? Nope, too bad. Did you bring any money? Look at that big Cowabunga Bay water bucket. A lot of water in there. Go rest in the park exit that way, Jerry. That way. Oh, we gotta go, Jerry. The park's closing. Say goodbye to Sweets and Treats. Say goodbye to those surfboards. Say goodbye to the Cowabunga Trader Store. And thanks for visiting. Well, you guys, it looks like we did it. We totally got to bring Mega Minion Jerry to Cowabunga Bay and have a cool water park day. Anyway, guys, if you liked the video, make sure you give it a great big like. Don't forget to check out some other videos on the channel, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks, guys. Love you guys. Bye!